Hello, everyone. I'm back for another episode of jelly printing, how-tos, techniques, different things. And this happens to be, I guess, the week of scrunched paper. So I have three different kinds of paper here. I have copy paper, I have a piece of deli paper, and I have some wax paper. And I'm just going to print on plain old copy paper because that way we can see if there's any difference in the scrunched paper. I'm going to use regular old craft paint, and I will be, after I brayer the paper, I have a piece off to the side where I'm going to kind of print on it, and I probably ought to put a plain piece. I actually could do that right here. I could just go that way with it. So, I am just going to go for it here. One of the things I will tell you is copy paper is kind of a little tough. So don't push hard into your plate because you don't want to poke your plate. We're going to switch to our wax paper. See what happens. Okay, guys, I really like this. I will tell you that the difference between deli paper and wax paper is not a lot. I'll show it to you in just a second. Don't forget that when you stamp off your paper or whatever it is you're making marks on your jelly plate with, that when you stamp it off or run your brayer, you end up with other kinds of paper that work really well for your art projects. Even the paper I wadded up and used, if I used it some more, maybe with some different colors, it would be really cool. So don't hesitate to save those kinds of papers. Now, this and this was the deli paper. Let me bring you in pretty close so you can kind of see the differences. Come on, come on. I love it. I think it looks very organic and would be beautiful with some bamboo drawn on it or something like that. Now, that was the deli paper. This is the wax paper. It does not have quite the same look, but it's very similar. Okay, when we get into the this is the copy paper, and you notice that the lines are much they show up more. They're more dramatic, which I really like that too. So there's a difference between the different kinds of paper that you're putting on the plate. I printed all on copy paper because I wanted you to see the differences of what we were using on there. This might show. Okay, this might show better. I'm not sure. Not sure what shows the best, but just be aware that different papers give you different looks, and all that was is some paint and some paper. With the copy paper, as I said, because the copy paper is more stiff and pokey, do be a little more gentle with your plate, just in case that those sharp corners happen to come down at the wrong place. But I hope this is, just inspiring you a little bit to play with your jelly plate. And I hope this shows that it's very easy to get fun papers with your jelly plate. So go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.